Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to hit the gym right now, and then we're gonna hit the grocery store. I just wanted to pop in here and do a quick intro since the sun's about to go down. I got some good light right now. So we're about to, like I said, go to the gym. I'm not gonna take you there because I don't have any like setup there where I can really film, but I'm going to take you to the grocery store. I love doing this on Sundays because I can get everything I need for the week, all of my stuff to take to work with me. I did do a video on things that I bring to work, snack ideas, and some meal options for lunch during the work week. So I will link that down below. But tonight we're about to grab all that stuff and then also do something for dinner. I'm thinking stuffed bell peppers. It's like one of my favorite dishes to cook. Healthier option, but also really satisfying and good. I'll put some black beans in there. We'll do some salsa and some like ground turkey and season it with taco seasoning. So my mouth's watering already. Lots of cheese, of course. So we're about to go get all that stuff at the store. And this is just a really quick, easy idea for dinner during the week, the work week. You can do it as meal prep, which is great. I'm going to cook enough to either have leftovers for tomorrow, or we're going to like take them to work, me and my bae. So we'll get that going. I'm about to, like I said, hit the gym, and then I'll be back with you at the grocery store, and I'll show you guys how I do my stuffed bell peppers. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what else you'd like to see here on the channel, and I will see you soon. Alright guys, so we're going to do stuffed peppers tonight. These are some of the ingredients. We're going to do diced tomatoes. I got this one with some jalapeno in it because I want it to be like more like Mexican style. Black beans and some corn. And then we have ground turkey, which is seasoned like taco meat. And then of course some cheese. We got like a Mexican blend with the thicker cuts. You want some too, little boy? Alright guys, so we're getting dinner prepped. I just cleaned the peppers, took the stickers off. We're going to cut these in half, take all the seeds and everything from the inside out, and then lay them in a baking dish. We'll get them popped in the oven. I'm preheating it right now, 350. You do want to make sure that you put the peppers in there before you stuff them, because this is going to make them nice and soft. So we usually put them in for about like 20 minutes and just really soften them up, and then we'll stuff them and then put them back in there. And then while those are in the oven waiting to be stuffed, we are going to start our skillet and kind of just mix everything together. We'll start with the ground turkey and then add everything else in it, so you'll see that in just a few.